Yun mga kamaski, what's up guys? Naka-receive kami ng 50 slot machine guys. Ito, kasama ko si BITIN GALA TV ngayon. Nag-i-install kami, nag-bobolt kami ng machine guys. Ang dami. Pero okay lang. Kayang yakang-yakan natin yan, yeah. Let's do this.
GALA TV at ipapakita ko ngayon sa inyo kung paano ilagay ang slot machine to the slot base using our hydraulic mechanical.
Yun, MASKIE TV guys at BITIN GALA TV. Okay, yakap namin ito gamit itong hydraulic. Guys, the machine is already up, is ready. Tapos siya ilagay sa base, ready to put it in the base. Right, to release slowly. MASKIE TV yan. BITIN GALA TV. So right guys, there's no hole in the past the cable, the power cable and the communication cable. So all we're gonna do is to make a hole. This is a hole, so let's do this. Right guys, so I make it slant a little bit because of the wire. There's another one. Yun, alright mga kamaski. So hindi kinaya ng powers natin sa battery. Papalit tayo ng heavy duty guys. Pero before that, magkabit muna tayo ng gloves muna tayo para sigurado, diba? Safety first muna, heavy duty na yung ginagamitin natin. Okay, so use the gloves first. So you are using heavy duty drill, right? So ito yung pang-gym ko na ginamit, gamitin natin to sa pag-drill. So ito na yun guys, tirahin na natin to. So quick, look, the heavy duty. power cable going in this way. Then also this one. Alright, so we can install now.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words.
Install the communication cable, guys, for slot machine.
Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go
Alin?
Kasi yung mga kabo nga lang, yung hanapan-hanapan. Pero tanggalin na ito po.
That's BITIN GALA TV.
Yung video, ha?
We can do it.
Don't forget to subscribe in my
By the way, guys,
Gala.
MB MASKIE BTV and BITIN GALA TV. When you do subscribe MB MASKIE BTV, you also subscribe BITIN GALA TV, guys. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone.
See you. Enjoy.
See you. Enjoy.
Night, I be in my feelings, I'ma be fine. Need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah.